Tuna. We love it raw, we love it cooked. But you know, this system of cooking I'm gonna teach you, it's so wonderful. I picked it up actually from the executive chef at Lidia, Fortunato Nicotre. So get a nice size steak, not too big. Out of here, maybe do 6 portions. This is the eye of the tuna, which extends into the belly, which the Sicilians love even better because it has a little bit of fat in it. So you can either go and just get the eye and reserve this for a pasta sauce or something. So let's kind of shave off the bloodline. Your fishmonger should have done most of it for you, but just you go around a little bit and sharp knife is important. And then you just kind of press against with this in a sewing motion against the skin on the bottom, and you just kind of shave it off. Look at this. Okay. Let me just shave off a little more of these bloodlines because once you cook that, you know, it's a little bitter. So again, here I'm talking about, you see, this is almost like a natural line for this. You can almost do it with your fingers, you see? And you just follow that, and here you go. So you have this beautiful fillet of tuna, and this is the ventresca, which is really delicious. You could sear it, save it for another time. You can make a great pasta sauce with it. So if you chop it up, put some garlic, tomatoes, a really wonderful pasta sauce. But let's work with the fillet, which is beautiful. So I would say 6. Let's go. Cut it in half, and then each one in 3. Okay, so we have 6 beautiful portions. Let's put them. And, you know, tuna is very fragile and tender. So season it with a little bit of salt, olive oil, and a non-stick pan or a cast iron pan is good venue to cook this. Could you grill it? Yeah, but this is better. You want the whole, we're gonna grill it on one side, you remember, and you want the fish to really touch the bottom of it, get a nice caramelization on one side, and the other side will just leave raw. And top it with a great salad. So I think you can present it independently as a single dish, but also a nice platter. This is always beautiful. Arugula is, you know, the quintessential Italian flavor in salad. I add to this a little bit of parsley. Now, to flavor this, I don't want garlic pieces in it, but I want to flavor it. So let's crush the garlic. Okay. Kind of just rub the bowl. And if you have the whole big pieces, you can just leave it in there, and then we'll pull it out. And that will give it enough flavor. Some salt. And we'll dress it with lemon juice and olive oil, but lemon zest also gives all the freshness to the salad, to the fish. Okay, this looks like it's nice and hot. The oil part, I want to put down the oil part. Okay. Full speed ahead, just one side. If you're looking at the side here, coming up, you'll see how far it is cooked. So if you want it halfway cooked or more cooked, that's your thermometer, looking at it and seeing how far it has cooked. Lemon juice and fish goes good together. Okay. Some olive oil. I'm looking, still nice and rare on the top. Maybe a little bit more salt. And I'm looking at it. Let me just flip it over so you can see. Look at this side. You see how beautiful it is? Okay, and can you see? So we're cooked up to here. Do we want a little more? This one almost looks, I guess it was the first one. So let's pull this one out. Okay. This one looks nice and rare. And yet, look how nice it is on one side and rare on this side. And this is what we want. Those Sicilians, they know their tuna. Okay. Now, even temperature-wise, you know, it's like black and blue if you like your steak black and blue. This is the feeling you get. It's cooked underneath and still almost chilly on top. Now, if you really like it better, so you can flip it over. Just make it quick. Just make sure that you get the temperature that you want. So now the salad is done, and just kind of on top, down the center. I would say, you know, you put some salad on, and some salad you leave just like this on the side. There is a little bit of sauce in there, a little bit of lemon juice. Let me just add. Collect the juice that's left. I'm gonna steal a little piece right here with this, a little bit of salad, and I'm going to taste it. Delicious. It is sort of the puckeriness of the lemon juice, the oil, and the sort of velvetiness of the tuna. Great presentation, great taste, and, you know, I'm bringing it to the table, so I'm inviting you. Tutti a tavola a mangiare. Do come.